Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are on the second video review of the unboxing of the ZT Max20 Smartwatch. And on this video, we are going to focus on the menus and features of this wearable. So if you are interested to know more about the smartwatch, watch this video. And again, if you find this video review useful, like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so let's begin and explore the ZT Max20 Smartwatch. Again, this is an Apple Watch Ultra clone. Let's go first with the UI. So this one, the crown button here, is used to change the watch face. You can also use to zoom in, I think, and zoom out with the bubble type menu, or you can scroll on the list type menu. This one is the return button, while this one is a sports action button. The UI, we have the notifications on top. On the bottom part, we have the settings and other options for the smartwatch. We have one dashboard layout, and on the right side we have the widgets. Let's access the main menu so we can check on the different options here. So let's change first the layout of the smartwatch or the menu. Okay, so we have here the list style. So we have a dialer, meaning we do have a Bluetooth call support. So Bluetooth call support includes the dialer, the phone book. We also have a health monitoring functions. This includes the heart rate, the blood oxygen. We also have the support for social apps such as Facebook. As you can see here, the layout is a bit disorganized. Okay, so we have a blood oxygen here, then we have a social app, then here comes an SOS, then another sports functions here for automatic activity tracking. We do have the health, and we have the sports. Regarding the sports, so here are the list of sports functions. We have the running, bike riding, strength training, basketball, tennis, volleyball, and football. I think we only have 9 basic sports functions. So if you're looking for a more comprehensive list of sports, well, the ZT Max20 is not for you. Okay, then, but if you want the basic, I think you can go with this one. It's affordable. I don't know about the battery life, if it's okay or not. So after the sports here, we do have a social app again. We have the remote camera control, the blood pressure monitoring. So this organized menu here for our ZT Max20. We have the music control function, Twitter or X, reset. We have a weather report, anti-lost. We have a sleep monitoring. So this is a calculator. Okay, we have a calendar. We have multiple menu options. So we have grid here, rotary, we have a bubble type or honeycomb, and we have our favorite, the list menu. We have a message notifications, stopwatch. We have a QR code for the app. Okay, we have, of course, the settings. So about, let's see, so Ultra 2 smartwatch. We have support for Siri, multiple language support, backlight time, let's increase it to 30 seconds. We have screensaver, password settings, and set time, set language. Let's check out the set time here. So there's an okay, so just the time, no date. Then we have a game here. only one F1 race. Again, here are the menus and features. Okay, we will dive into these features as we go on with our ZT Max20 smartwatch in the following days. So basic setup, basic offering for our ZT Max20 smartwatch. Let's see if there are additional options, if there are other options for the ZT Max20 smartwatch when we paired it with a support app. Okay, so that's it for our unboxing review of menus and features. Again, if you have any questions regarding the wearable, drop a comment below, and of course, like, share, and subscribe. Bye.